has dumped more than 30 inches of rain on parts of Hawaii. It will continue to threaten the area through this weekend. Forecasters expect the storm to turn west overnight away from the islands, which is good news, and lose strength. But it's still plenty powerful tonight with winds topping 100 miles an hour. And Maria Villarreal is there.
With rain still pounding Hawaii's Big Island, officials who've seen the damage call it potentially catastrophic. Water rushing so fast that this is what it looked like inside Adam Madrid's home in Hilo, a seemingly endless waterfall cascading down a stairwell. Hurricane Lane is still churning offshore, but moving so slowly that band after band of torrential downpours keeps lashing the Big Island on its march through the rest of the state. So with the ground already saturated by a foot of rain on Thursday, another 2 feet fell last night into this morning.
Just shocked. Never have I seen it like this in 43 years.
Lane is now heading directly towards Hawaii's most populated islands of Oahu and Maui, where on Waikiki, tourists are being warned to stay out of the water, and there's a new threat. Tropical force winds are pushing a large wildfire on Maui near the town of Lahaina. 5 inches of rain are in the forecast for tonight, but until it falls, there's little to stop this fire. Meanwhile, FEMA is stockpiling relief supplies in Honolulu, ready for a storm that could be Hawaii's worst in a generation, which has already shown its potential in Hilo, more water than this island can handle.